Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn. Thank you as always for watching my channel. I'm rocking my signature high ponytail look today, so you know what that means. It's time to get packing. In today's Pack With Me video, we are going to be packing for a summer weekend trip. My fiance Vince and I are going to be driving to Minnesota after work tomorrow to spend a long weekend in Minnesota, soaking up the heat and the sun with my friends and family from back home. And I also thought it'd be fun for me to film the outfits that I end up putting together while I'm back home for the weekend. So you guys can see how I'm able to mix and match all of my options while also still packing very light. If you guys are still digging packing videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here, and let's get started. All of my clothing and some accessory items are laid out nice and organized on my bed. I find this part in the packing process to be so beneficial because I'm able to see if all of my clothing items actually mix and match together really well. I can ensure that I'm not missing anything, and it's just super helpful for me to visualize what type of outfits I might put together once I get to my final destination. I am bringing 2 pairs of bottoms with me for the weekend. This is a pair of light wash skinny jeans, and this is a pair of distressed shorts. It's gonna be 90 degrees on Friday and about 75 degrees on Saturday, so I have a feeling I will be living in these shorts throughout the weekend. I am bringing 5 shirts with me, 3 short sleeve t-shirts and 2 tank tops. This salmon colored short sleeve shirt I'm going to wear to work tomorrow with these jeans, so this kind of counts as my travel outfit for the drive back to Minnesota tomorrow. I am bringing this striped v-neck t-shirt from Madewell. This fabric is super lightweight and I think will be really nice and breathable in the hot weather. Speaking of the hot weather, I thought it'd be beneficial to bring some white shirts, just knowing that they're nice and cool to wear in the sunshine and in the heat. So this is just a basic crew neck white t-shirt from American Giant that I really love. I've got a plain cotton white tank top from Everlane, and then finally I do have a bit of a dressy tank top as well. It has kind of this ruffling, I guess this isn't really ruffles, but just kind of this like tiered fabric at the bottom of it, so I thought that would be a nice dressier option. I'm throwing in another dressy option by packing a dress. This is a super cute midi length dress that I recently got from Old Navy, and I think that the bright red color is just so vibrant and fun for summer. Up here, I am bringing my round crossbody bag. This is a nice neutral color that goes with all of the outfits I plan to wear. I'm also bringing 1 baseball hat. Inevitably, throughout the weekend, there's always 1 or 2 days that I don't really feel like washing my hair, so a hat is a must. I'm also bringing 1 workout outfit because I never know if I'm going to take a yoga class while I'm back home, so I'm packing a pair of black capris, a sports bra, and a tank top. Finally, down here, I've got my intimates and essentials. I've got 1 pair of pajamas, a bralette, a lightweight sports bra to wear at night, some socks, some underwear, and obviously, these guys. I am bringing 2 pairs of shoes with me. Both of these are in a nice neutral color that will mix and match with all of the clothing that I'm bringing for the weekend. Over here is my beige color pair of Vans, and I am also bringing this cognac color pair of Steve Madden slides. For jewelry, I am bringing 1 pair of statement earrings, my pair of jacket earrings that I wear constantly because they go with everything, and then I am also bringing my delicate gold horn necklace. Summer weather is super easy to pack for because obviously you don't need to bring bulkier items like sweaters and jackets, and it's only going to cool off to about 62 degrees at night while I'm back home. So if I really need a jacket of some sort, I can just borrow one from my mom or my sister instead of bringing one of my own. Before I pack my toiletries, I'm going to wrangle up all my clothing into packing cubes, which are always linked in the description box of my packing videos. I got them off of Amazon and they were pretty inexpensive and they've held up great through all my travels. clothing, underwear, socks, all that good stuff in a medium and small size packing cube. And then over here, I left out my hat, my crossbody bag, and the outfit that I'm gonna wear to work tomorrow. The toiletry and makeup items that I am bringing with me on this weekend trip. Fortunately, since I am staying at my mom and dad's house, I didn't need to pack a lot of things like shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Those are things that I will just borrow from their shower, but these are all of the personal toiletry and makeup items that I wanted to bring from home. Last but not least, I put my few jewelry pieces in this little drawstring pouch. That'll go right over here with my makeup items, and I am good to go with my makeup and toiletries for the weekend. So now all of these items will go in my Low End Sons Weekender bag. And it's a little deceiving because I'm actually going to have to unpack some of these toiletry items because I still need to use them tonight and tomorrow morning, but oh well. I didn't pack my Steve Madden slides because I'm going to wear them tomorrow, and I also have my yoga mat right here. So I am all packed and ready to go for the weekend, and the next time that I see you guys, we will be putting some outfits together in Minnesota. So I will see you then. This full-length mirror in my sister's room is very nice. Hey guys, happy Friday. We just got home from doing a little bit of shopping here in Minnesota. Vince and I were actually looking for outfits that we can wear for our upcoming engagement photo session. If you guys haven't seen our recent fiance Q&A video, I will link it up above. Today has been a very hot and humid day, so this is what I decided to wear in the heat. I've got my Vans on bottom, nice and comfy to walk around in while shopping. I am wearing my pair of distressed denim shorts. I forgot if I said this yesterday, but these are just a pair of universal thread shorts that I got from Target. And then my shirt is my V-neck Madewell t-shirt that I think I mentioned yesterday is very lightweight and breathable, so super nice to wear in this hot humidity. I have my crossbody bag. I have a pair of jacket earrings. They're a little out of focus, but I wear these guys all the time. I've got some shades on top of my head, and that is about it. Just a comfy and casual outfit to wear while shopping. Vince and I are gonna get together with some friends tonight to play games and have a few drinks, and if I decide to change outfits, I will definitely share that with you guys, but I might just end up continuing to wear this because it's pretty comfortable. Hello again, quick outfit update. I decided to change into my red midi length Old Navy dress for dinner and drinks and games with our friends. It is still very hot outside. I think we're in an excessive heat warning of some sort, so it may seem a little bit crazy to wear this jean jacket over the dress, but it does get a tad chilly inside in the air conditioning. So I borrowed the jean jacket from my mom. Thank you, Mom. And then, like I said, I've got this red dress from Old Navy. It's super comfy, nice and flowy and easy. I paired the dress and jean jacket with just my brown Steve Madden slides, which look super coordinated with my crossbody bag. So yeah, that's my quick little outfit update for Friday. It's now Saturday evening and we're about to get a bonfire started, but first I thought I would show you guys what I decided to wear today. So today started out a little bit questionable because it was storming and a little bit chilly all morning, but then fortunately by the afternoon it was absolutely beautiful outside. It ended up being like 72 degrees and sunny. It was absolutely beautiful, and we were able to go on a pontoon ride up on Forest Lake, which is where my grandparents live. So we had a great day visiting my grandparents and visiting my other grandma, and it was just a really nice day spent with family, and here's what I wore. All right, starting at the bottom, I've got my Vans yet again. Also, do you guys love how my sister has like this cute little makeup setup down here? Because it was a little bit cooler today, well, at least it wasn't 90 degrees. It was more like 70 something degrees. I decided to wear a pair of jeans today. This is my pair of light wash Old Navy jeans. And then on top, I am just wearing my short sleeve crew neck American Giant t-shirt. This is a t-shirt that I definitely splurged on. It was a little more expensive than I would typically spend on a t-shirt, but it had really great reviews and it's proven to be a really great staple in my wardrobe that has held up through the wash. Just really comfortable, really cozy, and I think it's a great fit, so love this t-shirt. I'm wearing my dainty gold horn necklace and then no earrings, but just a high ponytail. Go figure. So yeah, just a casual and comfortable look for this Saturday spent with family. Hey guys, I'm back in Milwaukee and back to my own bedroom, which means that I am working with my super teeny tiny full-length mirror. It's nothing compared to my sister's mirror, that's for sure. I am just about to start unpacking, but I thought I would wrap up this video by showing you the super fashionable and fancy outfit that I decided to wear on the drive back to Milwaukee today. I am wearing my baseball cap. I've got my plain white cotton Everlane tank top with my gray sports bra on underneath. I am wearing my distressed jean shorts, and then I wore my neutral colored Vans as well. In a weekend full of simple and easy outfit choices, this outfit is definitely the most simple and easy outfit, but the name of the game is to be as comfortable as possible when you spend the majority of your day driving home. My headphones are just a temporary accessory because I'm going to listen to a podcast while I power through unpacking. But first, I wanted to thank you guys so much as always for watching this video. If you liked it and you're still liking my packing videos, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you're looking forward to seeing on my channel next. I hope you all have been enjoying your summer weekends, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Catch you later. Bye!